Hey everybody, it's been a while, or at least it feels like it has. I've just been enjoying some games offline these last couple months and just taking a bit of a breather from uploading. But I'm hoping to be back now with something a little more relaxed and touches on my Secret Lab desk build video last year, if you remember that one. Now, I've had something on my mind lately, and that's a brand new $4,000 PC build. But not just the PC, I actually want a full setup refresh. Since I'm at my desk like 16 hours a day, I'm working, gaming, editing, and, everything in between. It just makes sense to finally invest some of my adult money in something solid and build on the huge desk upgrade from last year. So what you're seeing now is what I'm currently working with. It's functional. The desk, honestly, is the best part, but I feel like it can be improved vastly. This chair's cushion, this was a cheap chair off of Amazon. It's really been through it. I'm honestly shocked it's lasted 2 years. I'm hoping to improve the 27-inch monitors, get something bigger and maybe curved, better equipped for gaming. I've been having some issues with the RAM lately. Now, I ran a benchmark recently just to see where things stand on the hardware side of things, and it's not terrible. It's functional, but it's definitely not ideal for what I want to be doing next. And with something like GTA 6 on the horizon at least a year from now, fall 2026, if we're lucky, save the date, I guess, I want to be ready to run things on ultra settings, when that time comes. So, over the months of my channel being quiet, I've been doing a lot of research on this next PC build that I've been putting together, and it is one mean beast that should be able to last the next 4 years minimum as a top contender in best builds. It's all here: a new CPU, GPU, fans, monitors, and even a new chair for the rump. Nothing super flashy, as I feel like I'm kind of over my RGB days. And I want a gorgeous pure black build going, which is why I've decided to settle on the Corsair 5000D airflow case. I'm currently using the white 4000D airflow that you've seen in the video already. I'll show it again. But I'll also drop a link to the full build list in the description of this video, so you can investigate the parts and the prices yourself as well. Now, if you're curious about the parts, or maybe you're just planning a build yourself, I know at least 2 friends that are going to be copying at least 90% of this build already, so feel free to do the same yourself. Just a fair warning though, it's not cheap. I'm planning to grab most of the parts around Black Friday, assuming the sales come through, and even the Secret Lab chair that I'm planning on grabbing, I'll have to grab from their website because they mark up the price on other retailers. So yeah, I've been doing a lot of research here. I just wanted to document it, partly for me, partly in case anybody's interested in watching the process unfold from, step 0 to step 3. I'm going to be making a follow-up video when the actual build comes to show all of the steps kind of in a condensed way, so you can kind of see what build I'll be using, going forward, at least the next 4 years. And then I'll end up doing a final desk tour once I have everything set up, including the new chair, new monitors, a Lord of the Rings themed desk mat, and even a little custom artisan Lord of the Rings keycap for the new keyboard. I'm pretty much trying to change everything I can to give it a new revamped black computer 2025-2026 kind of goal as my plan right now. But I wanted to thank you guys for watching. If you want to stick around for the build video or see the end result video, feel free to subscribe, as those will be coming later in the year, and I'll be back with more content soon, and I'm hoping better airflow on my computer. It's way too hot in the summer.